The present simple tense. B. Closed questions and short answers.
Are you chefs? Yes, we are. Are they from Poland? No, they aren't. Is he a musician? Yes, he is. Are you excited? No, I'm not. Are you in the park? No, we aren't. Is she angry? Yes, she is. Are you a cleaner? No, I'm not. Is she from Poland? Yes, she is. Is he hungry? Yes, he is. Are you nurses? No, we aren't. Is she a doctor? Yes, she is. Are they in the park? No, they aren't. Is she from the UK? Yes, she is. Are you a manager? No, I'm not. Are you at the bank? Yes, I am. Are they doctors? No, they aren't. Is he tired? Yes, he is. Are you managers? No, we aren't. Are you at the store? Yes, we are. Is he a manager? No, he isn't. Is he from the UK? No, he isn't. Are you happy? Yes, we are. Is he a sales clerk? No, he isn't. Are they chefs? Yes, they are. Are you a musician? Yes, I am. Is he from Canada? No, he isn't. Are they teachers? Yes, they are. Are you cold? No, we aren't.